Got another one, guys. Another jack. Another big jack. Gotta dodge these boats. Another big jack. Oh no. Get in here. Get in here. Golly. Strong. Come here. Another one. Another monster. Another monster. Yes, another monster jack. Relax, bud. I'm gonna get this out of you. Yep. Two back to back. Let me see, buddy. Let me see, buddy. I got you. I got you, buddy. Relax, bud. Relax, buddy. Look at that thing. Yeah.
Nice.
I caught two of them.
Right here.
Two of them back to back.
Using shrimp or bait?
No, a lure.
Nice.
A minnow. Little minnow jerk bait.
Stay right in here. They're all over.
Are they?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, I seen them. I can see their little yellow tails in the water.
Yeah, I just caught two real big ones. That was nice.
Awesome. That's like good.
Yeah, I tell you, man.
Right on that side.
Yeah, when I caught him right around that corner over there.